When it comes to investments, especially in the world of cryptocurrency, we know that risk is always a factor. But what if you're looking for something with zero risk to protect your capital? While no investment is completely risk-free, there are a few options that come close, especially if you're looking for safety and security in 2025. Now, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so here are 5 of the safest investments to consider for 2025. Number 1 is high yield savings accounts. While not a high growth investment, these accounts offer stable zero risk returns, perfect for short-term safety. The second one is Treasury Bonds. Now, government bonds are considered as, one of the safest investments, providing guaranteed returns without the risk of losing your initial capital. The third one is certificates of deposit, CDs. So these are low risk, low return investments that lock your money in for a fixed period of time and offer guaranteed returns. Number 4 is stable coins, cryptocurrency. So for crypto investors, stable coins like USDC or USDT are pegged to the value of the dollar, offering a secure way to hold digital currency without the price volatility of other cryptos. The fifth one is real estate investment trusts, REITs. So while not entirely zero risk, investing in REITs can give you exposure to real estate with a much lower risk compared to buying property directly. So just remember, no investment is completely risk-free, completely, free from risk, but these options offer stability, protection, low risk. Always do your own research. If you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.